Hi everyone. I just want to go over what we are doing this week in biology. This week we are finishing up the chemistry of life and then starting cells. So to start the week, you guys are going to have a test over the chemistry of life. And the first thing you're going to do is do this foods discussion. This will count as a test grade. So this is what it's going to look like when you guys open it up. You are going to select a picture. I have enough pictures here for everybody in the class, and you're going to comment on one that nobody else has commented on. So there's two questions. I want you guys to tell me what macromolecule that food is primarily composed of, and then tell me what that is going to do for your body. So remember, you got to comment on one that no one else has commented on, and then answer those two questions. Then after that will be a more traditional test. That's kind of, most of them are short answers. You guys can use your notes to help you if you need it. Then there are 3 lessons on Edgenuity. There is cell theory, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and then the function of organelles. So that is what this week is going to look like. Just as a reminder, you guys have notes that go with each one of your Edgenuity lessons. So make sure you open up those notes first, edit the notes or annotate them, write on them however you want, and then you're going to submit that, and that's what your grade is for the Edgenuity lessons. Let me know if you guys need any help or if something's not working, and I will see you later. Bye.